There's a couple of different ways to get to the settings on your Android phone, and I'm going to show you all the different ways to get there. My phone has settings on the home screen, which is the first thing you see after unlocking your phone. So, swipe around and see if yours has it there too. If it doesn't, no worries, we have other ways to get there. One of the easiest and fastest way to get there is through your quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner and quick settings will open. You'll see a little gear icon either on the top or bottom of your display, depending on your phone model, and you can tap that to get to your settings. Quick Settings is sort of a lightweight, fast way to access important settings, but you can also use it as a shortcut to hop into your main settings. If your Quick Settings only shows a few buttons, you can swipe down again from the top corner to view the full panel of settings, and depending on your phone, sometimes this is where you'll see the gear icon. Mine shows it on single swipe too, but some of you might need a double swipe. Or, swipe down with 2 fingers to go straight to the full panel. So, that's one way to get to the settings. What's cool about this that you can also use any of the buttons in your quick settings and long press them to jump directly to that part of your phone's settings. If I long press Do Not Disturb, I'll see some additional settings, and I can tap Details to go to my main settings and in the Do Not Disturb menu without having to manually navigate there. And of course, one basic and easy way to get to the settings is through the app drawer. Swipe up when you're on the home screen and the app drawer opens. This is where you'll find all your apps, and settings will always be somewhere here. If you're having a hard time finding it, you can also use the search. Just tap the search bar to activate it, and then type the first few letters of the app you're looking for, and once it shows up on top of the search results, tap it to go to your settings. Now, let's say you don't have settings on your home screen, but you'd like to add it there. To do that, we'll swipe up to go to the app drawer, and then locate the Settings app there. Then I'll just long press the app icon, and from the options that open, we're going to choose Add to Home. The app now goes to your home screen, and from there you can tap, hold, and drag it to your preferred position. Now you'll have your settings conveniently on the home screen every time you unlock your phone, and it'll also be available in the app drawer in case you need it there. And that's how you get to settings. No right or wrong way to do it, so feel free to stick to whatever feels easiest to you. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.